A couple of days ago, I made this device to send out a message to a list of employees using Telegram's API, not a text message or Twilio. I just want to explain how it works in a little more detail. So this switch right here, if it's to the left, means it's on the first floor. If it's to the right, it's for the second floor. This second switch down here corresponds to bonus. If it's to the left, there's no bonus. If it's to the right, there's a bonus, right? And then each one of these buttons corresponds to a shift. Morning shift, day shift, night shift. So with these combos, I can pretty much text whoever what I want. So let's hook it up and see how it works. Power up, 9 volt. So let's say that there is an opening on the second floor. So I'll push this to the right. There is a bonus available. And let's say that's day shift. So we're going to hit this yellow button. And there you go. 720p, but it says open shift available, shift, day shift, time, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., location, floor 2, bonus available. And please call this number if you can cover the shift. Let's say first floor, no bonus, night shift. So we can look at the wiring a little more depth. These are 2 single pole double throw switches. In the left, it's low state. The top one, again, is floor, and this is bonus. The green button is morning shift, yellow is day shift, and red is night shift. As I push these, it completes the circuit, sends it to the GPIO pins. The blue is for the switches input, and the white is for the buttons input. Classic ESP32 cam. Well, it's actually a rover. It could be an Arduino, it could be a Raspberry Pi, an ESP32. So I'll have the code up a little bit later. I just wanted to show how this worked in a little more detail. Here is the included code. I'll have linked in the description down below. All the comments explain what to do, but I will also have another video linked that explains how to do this. Somebody a little bit better at explaining things will do that. But you just swap in your bot token. This will come with the Telegram API, your chat IDs. These can be for different employees or people that you want to notify. Here's the GPIO pins for the buttons, which are for the different shifts. Then the pins for the switches, which are for the floor and bonus. Here's the setup, just hooking up to Wi-Fi, setting the pin modes with pull-up resistor. Here's our loop. Reads the floor state based on the switches, the bonus state based on the switch. See if a button is pressed, each one corresponding to a shift. And here's our if-then for the buttons. And here's the full send alert. Now, here's the key part. It has to be URL encoded using this library. Otherwise, the spaces in the message here will really throw off everything. Here's what the URL will look like. Here's a kind of example right here. That's when it's fully encoded. Here's the full message. Yes, I cleaned it up, and it'll send out that text message. And you can adjust this all to your own preferences. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch some nerd talk about code and a funny little doodad that I'm sure is done cheaper and better somewhere else. It's a learning experience. I am enjoying myself, and I hope you found something useful too. You can like and subscribe. I'm going to continue talking about data, technology, and just different things that I learn. I'm going to try to make you laugh. Might be cringy, but I'll give it a whirl. Thank you. Have a good night, good day, wherever you are.